on the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. In this video, we will explore what IoT is, how it works, and its impact on our lives. What is IoT? The Internet of Things refers to the network of connected devices that can communicate with each other and exchange data. This network includes various types of devices such as smartphones, smart homes, cars, wearables, and even industrial equipment. How does it work? IoT devices use sensors and actuators to collect data and perform actions based on that data. They can communicate with each other over the Internet, sending and receiving data in real time. This data can be analyzed and used to make decisions, automate processes, and improve efficiency. Impact on our lives. IoT has the potential to transform our lives in many ways. In our homes, we can use smart devices to control lighting, heating, and security systems. In healthcare, IoT devices can help monitor patients remotely, detect early warning signs, and deliver personalized treatments. In agriculture, IoT sensors can be used to optimize crop yields, conserve water, and reduce waste. Challenges. Despite its potential, IoT also poses some challenges. Security is a major concern, as IoT devices can be vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks. Privacy is also an issue, as the amount of data generated by IoT devices raises questions about who owns and controls that data. Conclusion. In conclusion, IoT is an exciting and rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. While there are challenges to be addressed, the benefits of IoT are too significant to ignore. We hope you found this video informative, and thank you for watching.